Ready to supercharge your crypto.com security with the ultimate shield. Let's enable two-factor authentication using Authy. First, open the crypto.com app and tap on the profile icon usually located in the top left corner. This takes you to your account settings. Next, find and select the security option. It's often under general account settings or something similar. Now, locate the two-factor authentication setting. It will likely show as disabled at first. Tap the toggle to turn it on. Crypto.com will now guide you through the 2FA setup. You'll likely see a QR code appear on your screen. Do not try to scan it yet. Open the Authy app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Tap the Add Account button. Use Authy to scan the QR code displayed on Crypto.com. Authy will then generate a unique verification code. Go back to the Crypto.com app and enter the verification code that Authy is displaying. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 2FA on your Crypto.com account. Using Authy, your crypto is now extra safe.